Have you been naughty or have you been nice? As you can see, our weather's being very, very naughty. Anyway, I did make pasta, but I did not make it on the Blackstone, I'm afraid. I made it in the Emeril cooker. What? This and this? Yes. All I did was I set it on saute, browned a pound of ground beef. What did I do then? Oh, I threw in a package of pasta. It could be spaghetti. It can be these little swirly things. It can be any kind of pasta. And then I threw in a jar of spaghetti sauce and a can of diced tomatoes. See? Diced. And, and a jar and a half of water. And I seasoned the ground beef while it was cooking, by the way. Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, some garlic. And anyway, threw all that in the pot, set it to 8 minutes, and bam, I had me more pasta than I knew what to do with. So that's all it takes in the Emeril. I know it's not griddle porn, but that's pressure cooker porn. Thanks for watching, y'all. And hopefully we'll get to griddling again soon. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!